In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task card colors in Asana board view. First, open Asana in Google Chrome and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, head to the project where you want to adjust the look of your tasks and make sure you're viewing it in board view. Board view lays everything out as columns with cards, which makes color coding especially helpful for scanning and prioritizing at a glance. Now find a task card you want to update and click the three-dot menu. This is the small overflow menu on the card that reveals more options. Depending on your project setup, you may see a customize option, or you might be looking for color-related settings directly. Here's a key point to understand before you proceed. Asana doesn't let you freely paint each card any color. Instead, color accents on cards are typically tied to tags or to the project's color theme. Knowing that will help you look in the right place and avoid hunting for a color picker that isn't there. If you see Customize, open it to review how your project is organized. This panel shows the elements that control what appears on cards. For color, the most reliable approach is to use tags that already have colors assigned. To apply a tag, click the task card to open its details, then add a relevant tag. Many common tags already carry a color, and that color will appear on the task card as a small, noticeable label. If the tag you're using has a color you don't love, you can adjust the tag's color from the tag's own menu. Once updated, every task with that tag reflects the new color, keeping your board consistent. Another visual accent comes from your project's color theme. You can set a project color so the overall project is easy to recognize across Asana. While this doesn't flood each card with a new background, it does give your board a cohesive look and can subtly influence how cards are framed in the interface. As you apply color-coded tags, think through a simple, consistent palette. For example, pick one color for high priority, another for blocked items, and a third for upcoming work. Keep your choices limited so colors remain meaningful. If you work with a team, agree on the legend up front so everyone tags tasks the same way. And that's it. Open Asana in Chrome, go to your project in board view, use the three-dot menu, check Customize, and apply color-coded tags or a project color to bring your board to life and make it easier to scan and manage.